In today's video, I will demonstrate you how to do Chandrabhedi Pranayam. Chandrabhedi Pranayam is directly associated with Chandra nadi. Our Chandra nadi belongs to our left nostril. With the activation of left nostril means Chandra energy, we invite peacefulness, relaxation, repairing mode in your body and mind. First, choose any comfortable position. Keep your back straight. Place the left arm on the left knee. With the right thumb, I am going to close my right nostril. Inhale slow and deep from the left nostril. Now closing the left nostril. Exhale from the right nostril. Again close the right nostril. Inhale slow from the left. Exhale from the right one. Doesn't this look so simple? Yes, it is. Never use fast breathing in Chandrabhedi Pranayam. Otherwise, the results can be opposite. Most people are using fast breathing, and that is why they are creating turbulence in their minds. You must know who should do Chandrabhedi Pranayam. If you are facing high blood pressure, high cholesterol, acidity, heat in your body, then this pranayam is ideal for you. Through Chandrabhedi Pranayam, we activate parasympathetic nervous system, which silence our mind, which activates repairing mode, and that is why we feel very relaxed. If you face anger, irritation in your nature, then this pranayam can be the best one. Through this pranayam, we activate our both energies. If you have excess sun effect in your body, so you can balance it very well. The evening time will be very good, because in evening you need more relaxation. You spend your whole day working and you feel very exhausted. So to repair your body and mind, you need Chandrabhedi Pranayam. If you want to sleep better at nights, so Chandrabhedi would be very good, because it will silence your thoughts as well, so that you can sleep better. Don't practice this pranayam if you have low blood pressure, depression, low mood, or have low energy levels. So make your life peaceful with Chandrabhedi Pranayam.